Engines are humming to a holiday beat. From city night rides to quiet lanes, December rolls, frost and rain.
Cameras rolling, engines low. Another year, another road to go.
Merry Christmas to the riders online, from first gear starts to the finish line. Happy New Year wherever you roam, two wheels turning, heading home. Keep it steady, keep it smart, every mile ridden with a careful heart.
Cold air biting through leather and chrome, waving a riders you never known.
Stories shared through bars and screens, roadside laughs and coffee steam.
Throttle gentle lies ahead, every turn is respect instead.
Merry Christmas to the riders online, from mountain bends to coastal lines. Happy New Year, shine those lights through winter days and darker nights. Keep it steady, keep it smart, every mile ridden with a careful heart. If the weather turns and the grip feels thin, slow it down, let patience win. The road will wait, the views remain. Another sunrise, another lane. Merry Christmas, helmet tied, may every journey feel just right. Happy New Year, rubber down from small back roads to the edge of town. Ride together near or far, safe returns are who